Hello guys, so this problem is the 2022 AIME or the American Invitational Math Examination problem number 2, and it says find the 3-digit positive integer ABC whose representation in base 9 is BCA. Where A, B, C are not necessarily distinct digits. So we could solve this by saying that, hey, 100A plus 10B plus C, this expression in base 10 equals 9 squared B, which is 81B, plus 9C plus A. Rearranging, you'll get 99A equals 71B plus 8C. And now we can solve for A, B, and C to find our answer. So we could try A equals 1, then B has to be 1, because if B is 2, then we have 142, which is clearly bigger than 99. So B has to equal 1. And if A and B are 1, then we have 8C is 28, and that does not work because 28 is not a multiple of 8. So we know that A is 1 is not true. So we could try A equals 2, and in this case, if we plug it in, we have 198 equals 71B plus 8C. And if we plug in B equals 1, then 198 minus 71, that is 127, which is not a multiple of 8. So if we try B equals 2, then we have 142, which will give us 56, and 56 is a multiple of 8. So we have A equals 2, B equals 2, and C equals 7. So our final answer is 227, and we're done.